Hi everyone, Diaflow gives you a bunch of powerful tools to boost your productivity. Here you'll find a whole suite of tools, starting with our no-code workflow builder. You can build any app with AI integration right here. We also have templates. Templates are here to help you get started and learn along the way. For example, let's check out Find Email Address with AI. I just need to give it the first name, last name, and company domain. AI will generate all sorts of information. This feature is a total game changer for sales teams. Next up is Pages. It lets you edit your tool with the knowledge base you build up right here. For example, I have this text about Diaflow. Besides all the regular formatting options, Pages also has AI integration. You can ask AI questions about the text, like I can ask AI to summarize this paragraph. See how fast and easy that is? Everything you do in Diaflow happens within apps. This is where you'll find all the apps you've built. We also have Tables, our spreadsheet solution that makes managing your database a total breeze. Need to store files? Let's create a folder on Drive. Name it Diaflow, and you can store files here. And last but not least, we have Vectors. You just need to click on Add, then URLs, and crawl a website. I will paste the Diaflow website link here. And done. Your AI has been successfully trained. How cool is that? That's a quick overview of Diaflow's core features. To see how to create an app with AI integration, check out our next video. Let's simplify your workday together.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check Lifetime Deal link in the description below.